Hi, I'm Emma, and I'm going to show you how to set up a drink station for your next gathering. So let's get to it. A fully stocked drink station is a great idea when entertaining, and a stylish one too. It takes the pressure off the host as guests can fix and refresh their own drinks. Plus, by positioning it out on the deck, balcony or lawn, it encourages people to circulate and gets them out of the kitchen. Your drink station can be set up on a table or a trolley, but we love the idea of converting this very versatile mobile garden station into a drinks trolley. This one is the perfect size and is already on wheels, so you can move it around to where your guests are most likely to gather. To tie in the trolley with your outdoor decor or special event, you can change the colour with a couple of coats of spray paint. We've chosen white for a fresh, beachy and very summery look that is perfect for this setting. Make sure you position your drinks trolley in the shade or under an umbrella, and always anchor your brolly into something solid like a pot filled with potting mixture. To set up the drink station, fill a generous bucket or drinks cooler with ice. Add an ice cooler if you've got bottles or cans to keep everything cool and at the ready. Then load your drink station with everything your guests need to fix themselves a refreshing drink. Glassware, paper straws, herbs, and bowls of fruit to use as garnishes. So there you have it, a clever repurposed drink station that can fit in any size space, and a stylish way to welcome guests to your next celebration. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.